Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sous vide machines that are available on the market for their true quality. Sous vide cooking is an incredible way to achieve restaurant quality results at home. And we've analyzed the top machines to help you pick the perfect one. You can find the product links in the description below. So let's dive right in. At number 5, we have the Inkbird Wi-Fi Sous Vide Machine ISV100W. This sous vide cooker offers a unique balance of affordability and advanced features, making it a solid choice for home cooks who love experimenting. With 1,000 watts of power, it heats water quickly and maintains a consistent temperature within 0.1 degrees C accuracy. The standout feature here is its Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control the device remotely using the Inkbird Pro app. Although it only supports 2.4 GHz networks, once connected, you can monitor and adjust settings from anywhere. The unit is designed for efficiency and has an ultra-quiet operation, producing less than 40 decibels of noise. The intuitive LCD touchscreen adds to its user-friendly appeal, and it even includes a calibration function to enhance temperature accuracy. While its build quality is solid, the device feels slightly bulkier than some competitors. With a capacity of up to 20 liters of water, it's versatile enough for most home kitchen setups. However, the included app could use some refinements to improve the overall user experience. If you're looking for a reliable, entry-level sous vide machine with smart features, the Inkbird ISV100W is a great option. The lack of price transparency might make it less appealing to budget-conscious buyers, but its performance and quiet operation make it a worthy contender. Pros include its Wi-Fi control, quiet operation, and precise temperature calibration, while cons are the slightly bulky design and app connectivity limitations. Coming in at number 4 is the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Nano 2.0. This compact, lightweight sous vide machine is perfect for home cooks who value portability and simplicity. Despite its small size, the Nano 2.0 delivers big on performance, with precise temperature control within plus or minus 0.1 degrees Fahrenheit. It circulates water efficiently for consistent results, making it ideal for cooking everything from tender steaks to perfectly poached eggs. What makes the Nano stand out is its space-saving design. At just 12.8 inches tall, it fits easily into kitchen drawers, making it a great option for smaller kitchens or those who prioritize decluttered countertops. The fixed clamp ensures a secure fit on most pots, and the durable plastic construction is both lightweight and easy to clean. While it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity, it does offer app integration for added convenience. Allowing you to access recipes and control settings directly from your phone. The Nano 2.0 is best suited for beginners or those who need a no-frills sous vide machine that delivers reliable results. Its affordability and user-friendly operation make it a great choice for casual cooks. However, the lower wattage 800 watts means it heats water slightly slower than some competitors. Pros include its compact design, precision control, and app integration. allowing you to access recipes and control settings, while cons are the slower heating time and lack of Wi-Fi connectivity. While cons are the slower heating time and lack of Wi-Fi connectivity. At number 3, we have the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 2.0. This sous vide machine strikes a great balance between performance, design, and ease of use. Sporting 1,000 watts of power, it heats water quickly and maintains precise temperature control for perfectly cooked meals every time. Whether you're cooking chicken, fish, or vegetables, the results are consistently excellent. The Precision Cooker 2.0 comes with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to monitor and adjust your cook via the Anova app. The app also provides access to thousands of free recipes, making it easy for both beginners and experienced cooks to explore new dishes. The adjustable clamp makes it compatible with a wide range of pots, and the water-resistant design ensures durability in busy kitchens. However, at 1.98 pounds, it's slightly heavier than the Nano 2.0. This model is ideal for intermediate cooks who want a reliable sous vide machine with smart features. While it lacks the raw power of the Pro model, it's more than capable for everyday cooking tasks. Pros include its Wi-Fi connectivity, recipe-rich app, and precise temperature control. Cons are the slightly heavier design and slower heating compared to higher wattage models. In the runner-up spot at number 2, we have the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker 3.0. This model builds on the success of its predecessors, offering improved connectivity with dual-band Wi-Fi and an updated 2-line touchscreen display. With 1,100 watts of power, it heats water faster than the Nano and 2.0 models, making it a great choice for cooks who value efficiency. The Precision Cooker 3.0 features an adjustable clamp and a removable stainless steel skirt for easy cleaning. The dual-band Wi-Fi ensures a more stable connection, allowing you to control the device from anywhere using the Anova app. The app also offers access to a subscription service with exclusive recipes and cooking guides, though it's entirely optional. This model is versatile, user-friendly, and packed with features that elevate your cooking experience. Priced at just $139, the Precision Cooker 3.0 is also the best budget option on our list, offering excellent value for its performance. It's ideal for home cooks who want a reliable, feature-rich sous vide machine without breaking the bank. Pros include its fast heating, stable Wi-Fi connection, and user-friendly design. The only notable con is that the app subscription might not appeal to everyone. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro, the most powerful model in the lineup. With 1,200 watts of power, this sous vide machine is built to handle even the most demanding cooking tasks. It can heat up to 100 liters of water in a covered container and run for a minimum of 10,000 continuous hours, making it perfect for professional chefs and serious home cooks alike. The Pro model is constructed from stainless steel and is both drop-tested and IPX7 rated for water resistance, ensuring durability in high-pressure environments. It's also equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control the device via the Anova app. The app includes everything from basic controls to advanced recipes and cooking guides. Whether you're cooking a simple steak or tackling a large dinner party, the Pro has the power and reliability to deliver exceptional results. Priced at $185.05, the Anova Pro is the premium option on our list, and for good reason. It's designed for those who demand the best in performance and durability. Pros include its high power, heavy-duty construction, and advanced features. The only con is the higher price, but for those who need the best, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in choosing the perfect sous vide machine for your needs. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.